point of this forum is not about regulating the internet at all. It's not about more government regulation over the internet. And some people think that there's some kind of plot, which is so far from the truth, it's not funny. The theme of this conference is the internet and economic growth, how it can be used to accelerate economic growth, which is what we need here in France, here in the United States, in Japan, in Russia, in all of our countries. We need to get down unemployment, and this is there are hundreds and hundreds of thousands of jobs that are dependent on this. And it also, I think the other message is that people shouldn't be scared of the internet. We have to learn to, it's part of our life, as you say, it's everywhere. A lot of different themes are going to be dealt with over these 2 days. I think the overriding one is internet and economic growth, and how strong that link is and how it can be made even stronger. Then there are other questions about content, who should finance content on the web, how that works, who should profit from it, is it telecom companies, is it Disney, is it artists, etc., how that's divided. We're certainly going to look at some very political themes. There will be other sessions on the whole question of open data, which is linked to how governments can just throw open their databases so that developers can work with that and create more efficiencies in the economy. I mean, there'll be a lot of different themes. And of course, this is one big networking event, so lots of people will be getting together, and interesting things will happen.
One of the good things that will come out of this is questions. The more questions there are, the more answers there need to be found, and from a question comes innovation. I'm passionate about innovation, so if we can innovate, come up with new ideas, then it's a win-win for everybody.
For me, I mean, one of the things that's most interesting is how social media affects psychology, affects broad cultures, affects how people interact with one another. For example, there's a study last year at the University of Michigan that suggested that the people who are graduating college now are the least empathetic generation ever.
Je suis surtout ici en ma qualité de blogueur, on va dire. Je blogue depuis 5 ans. Et je viens chercher ici des débats autour de thèmes qui m'intéressent beaucoup. Surtout la liberté d'expression, la neutralité du net, et puis aussi toutes les possibilités en termes de croissance économique par rapport à Internet, qui me semble très intéressant.
C'est intéressant de pouvoir, en France, réunir autant d'acteurs importants de l'Internet. On pourrait considérer que ça ressemble un peu au Davos de l'Internet. Il y a beaucoup de startups, de grands groupes de l'Internet qui viennent plutôt des États-Unis. Il y en a très peu qui émergent en France. Pourtant, il y a des sociétés qui sont assez connues comme Vente Privée, comme Meetic, qui font pas mal de bruit en Europe, pas encore complètement exportables aux États-Unis, voire apparemment l'annonce de la semaine dernière de Vente Privée qui va se lancer à New York avec Amex, ça peut préempter d'une première en la matière, mais effectivement l'Europe a l'air d'être un peu le parent pauvre de l'Internet, alors que c'est pas vraiment le cas parce qu'il y a des idées, maintenant elles restent à se faire, faudrait en faire la promotion, quoi, voilà.
Answers. There probably will be some answers. I think when you get together so many important people, so many key players of the internet, it's a kind of crowdsourcing, and that some interesting answers can, I think, emerge from this. But I think it's also, what are the key concerns? What are the key ideas? That's very important.